All right, we have our 96% lean ground beef. I have a diced green pepper that I'm gonna place right next to our meat. This is all in my crock pot. We're making a super easy and delicious crock pot dinner. Now I'm gonna come in with my onions, and we're gonna put those onions right next to our green pepper. We wanna make sure everything is nice and diced, just makes things easier for later. Now I'm gonna come in with my mild cheddar cheese. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. If you love cheesy and delicious things, you will love this recipe. And we are just putting a good amount of cheese right there. I used about half a bag of our cheddar cheese. The next cheese we're gonna add is our Parmesan. And we're gonna put the Parmesan right here on the side. As you can see, I'm making little compartments for each ingredient. That's exactly what we want. Beautiful. Now I have here some Rouse marinara, the best marinara that you can buy. Obviously homemade is always nice. And we're gonna put that right in front of the ground beef. Kind of just fill up that little open spot that we had. It's okay if it overflows on the ground beef because we wanna make sure we use that marinara perfectly. Almost done here. I'm gonna come in now with my Philadelphia cream cheese, and we're gonna grab this whole block of cream cheese and place it right on top of our other ingredients. Okay, now we're gonna come in with our Daisy sour cream, and we're using 8 ounces. So we use 8 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces of sour cream, and we're gonna put that right on top of our ground beef, right in there. And it's important that you use the lean ground beef so that you don't get, too much grease in our crock pot. Okay.
This is all looking delicious. I'm tasting all the flavors in my mouth.
Right, and all the scents. Mm-hmm. Okay, it is time to season this up. We're gonna start off with some garlic salt. You guys know I love my garlic. We're gonna just sprinkle that on the entire dish, just like so. Then we're gonna go in with some black pepper. You guys can season this however you like. I just like to keep it kind of on the Italian side because this is gonna be an Italian crock pot dinner. I have some dried parsley flakes, add a little bit of greenery in there. Oh my gosh, I love parsley. Look how beautiful that looks.
Amazing.
Now we're gonna finish this off with some basil leaves. Okay, like I said, you can use whatever you prefer. I'm just trying to keep it nice and flavorful and a little bit Italian. Okay guys, that is it. We're gonna go ahead and put our lid on our crock pot and set this to high and let it cook. All right, you guys, it's been 2 hours on high. Let's check this out. Woo! Oh,
wow.
My goodness. That looks incredible. Okay, we are actually gonna go ahead and add some rotini pasta. This is cooked al dente, right into our crock pot with all of that goodies. Ooh, perfect. Now it's time for mixing. Oh my gosh. Oh, the ground beef cooked perfectly. We got all of that cooked onion. Oh, okay, this looks so good. I got that ground beef nice and torn apart. It is time to serve some of this up. Oh my goodness. This smells incredible, you guys. Woo! Okay. Al dente pasta. That is seriously good, you guys. You have to try it.